In this video, I'm going to show you how to add Hulu to your Hisense Smart TV. So whether you just go to your TV or you're setting up a Hulu for the first time, I'll walk you through it step by step. Since I won't be able to show you the actual demonstration of how to add Hulu, so listen carefully as I explain each step so you'll know what to do and what to expect. So first, grab your Hisense remote and press the home button. This will take you to the main menu. So depending on your TV model, you'll either see the Google Play Store if you're using an Android TV or the Roku channel store if your Hisense TV runs Roku operating system. So if your TV has the Google Play Store, go ahead and open it. In the search bar, type in Hulu. So once you see the app, click on it and then select install. So wait a minute for the download to finish and Hulu will be added to your apps list. So if your TV uses Roku operating system, the process is just as simple. From the home screen, scroll down and select streaming channels and then choose search channels and then type in Hulu. So when it pops up, select it and then press the add channel. After it installs, you'll find Hulu in your channel lineup. So once Hulu is installed, just open the app, log in with your Hulu account, and you're ready to start streaming. So if you don't see Hulu in the app store or channel store, it might be because your TV model is older and no longer supports Hulu. In that case, you can still watch by connecting a streaming device like Roku, Fire Stick, or Chromecast, so which will let you install Hulu and watch without any issues. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.